Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to solve Instagram story views not showing problem. If you are experiencing issue with Instagram story views not showing, there are several reasons for this problem. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to troubleshoot and solve this issue. First of all, check for app updates. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issue. Restart the Instagram app, close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. This can help resolve temporary glitches or bugs. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity may prevent the proper loading of story views. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting. In setting, scroll down. You can see here apps. Tap on it. Tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, tap on storage. In the bottom, you can see here clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reporting the problem to Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down. You can see here help. Tap on it and tap on in report a problem. You should briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can upload or screenshot the photo of the issue. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.